All right, y'all, so we're going to talk about erosion. So write your title, which is erosion, and then you're going to write your TEK 7.8b. So the definition of erosion is the carrying away of weathered material. How long does erosion take? It can be slow. The Paradero Canyon was formed from erosion by the Red River. So the water flowing through the Red River, that caused the canyon to form. And by the way, Paradero Canyon, which is located in the Panhandle of Texas, is the second largest canyon in the United States. Now, erosion can be fast too, from maybe a landslide or from a flood. The agents of erosion are wind, water, gravity, and ice, which are glaciers. So wind can form, wind is going to carry sand away or soil away or rocks, and then that is how abrasion, the flat rocks, are formed, or even the arches in Utah are formed. Water erosion wears away the earth's surface. Rivers are shape canyons by carrying away rocks. And then waves break down, erode shorelines. And then let's talk about glaciers and gravity. So glaciers do not sort their sediment, leaves great piles of tiny clay, silt particles, and up to large boulders. Gravity can cause rocks to fall. Great piles of rubble are deposited along the bottoms of cliffs. Okay, so don't forget that storm surges do cause erosion. It's going to carry the sand onto land, and then the sand is covering the plants, and they're not able to capture the radiant energy, therefore leading them to die. And then other organisms suffer because the plants are dead. All right, so we're going to talk about deposition now. So make sure you guys copy this down. Pause if you need to. Okay, so deposition is the dropping of weathered material in a new location. This builds new land. Examples. Okay, so sand dunes are caused by wind. So I drew my sand here. Okay, and this is a sand dune. It's basically a hill. So whenever the sand is blowing, and then it's dropped in a new location, causing a sand dune. All right, so a river, if I have a river, okay, this is a river, okay, but it's going to empty like in the Gulf of Mexico, okay, and then here is a little island right here. The reason why these little islands called deltas form is because of sediment being carried down the river. So sand will pile up to make new land. Okay, that's a delta. Okay, and then if I have, so this is gonna be my beach right here. Okay, my beach with my sand. But if I have waves, okay, waves, and they're pushing up against the beach, okay, this is how beaches are formed, okay, by the waves pushing up against the beach, creating land, okay? So deposition is when new land forms. All right, y'all, make sure you guys copy this down. Feel free to rewind, okay, and move on to the next activity. Bye, y'all.